Hello students, in this video we will learn how to find median and quartiles Q1 and Q3, lower quartile and upper quartile when the sum of all the frequencies is odd. I have already discussed the case when the sum of all the frequencies is even. Now same way with the help of OG formation we will be doing it. So let's start. The first thing which we have to do is to find the cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency we will calculate in this way. The first cumulative frequency is same as the frequency. So it is 6 here. So cumulative frequency is also 6. Next one we will be keep on adding in the slant way like 6 plus 12. So 6 plus 12 is 18. Then 18 plus 18 is 36. Then 36 plus 20 is 56 and 56 plus 13 is 69. Then 69 plus 8 is 77 and 77 plus 6 is 83. Now I have already told you earlier also, whatever is the last cumulative frequency, that should be equals to the sum of all the frequencies also. So if that is not there, that means you have made some mistake here. So you have to check it. Here I have already calculated, so both are same. Now let's start with the ogive curve. So first of all, the class intervals we have to mark along the x-axis. So I'll be writing here so that there won't be any confusions. And cumulative frequencies. See, here we have to use cumulative frequencies instead of frequency. So cumulative frequency we have to plot again along the y-axis. So I'll be marking the class intervals as 150 to 155. See, from 0 I'll be drawing a kink. So this type of symbols, because when I'm writing here the first one I'm writing 150 and after that 155. You can see 0 to 150 is a long gap. So this symbol indicates that the change is uniform. So that means it is same. So 0 to 150, 150 to 155, then 155 to 60. So just to cover this long gap, we are marking this symbol here. Then all the intervals I'll be writing here: 155, 160, then 165, 170, 175, 180 and 185. So here I am not doing any repetition. You can see here 150 to 155, then this only 155 to 160, 160 to 165 and so on. Now let's see how to write the values along the y-axis. So the last one which we can see here is 83 and the first one is 6. So the range is from 6 to 83. That means if I write it like this: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So easily I can plot the graph. So after marking these two, what we have to do, we have to write a graph scale. So graph scale is very important because it will help us to find the points, all the points. So on x-axis I am writing first. So on x-axis, see, each division I have to find how much each division is equals to. So for that, first of all I will write, see, this is 10 divisions. When I am going from 150 to 155, in that box how many divisions are coming? 10. So I am writing that. So 10 divisions is equals to how many units? So I am going from 150 to 155. So that means 5 units are there. You can count also the difference between 155 and 150 is 5. Same way difference between 160 and 155 is 5. So I can write here 10 divisions equals to 5 units. So that means 1 division's information actually I need. So 1 division is equals to this 10 we will bring down. So it will become 5 by 10 units. So which will become 0.5 units. So 1 division is equals to how many units? 0.5 units. So that means if I write two divisions, so 2 divisions equals to 1 unit. So both the things we should know 1 unit. Because maximum time we should know how many divisions are equals to 1 unit, so that we can plot the points easily. Now let's check for y-axis. So y-axis you can see 0 to 10, then 10 to 20. So when I am going, each 10 divisions only, they are equals to how many units? So 10 divisions, this box has 10 divisions and it is going, you can see 0 to 10. So 10 units only. 10 units equals to 10 division. That means 1 division is equals to how many units? 10 by 10. This 10 we are just bringing down. I have told you here also. So 1 division is equals to 1 unit. So we have got the information of 1 unit for y-axis also and 1 unit for x-axis also. Now let's write down the points first. So in class interval, all these are the lower limits and all these are the upper limits. So we will make use of upper limits. These upper limits only we will be plotting on x-axis, and these ones cumulative frequencies only we will be plotting on the y-axis. So first of all, let's write down all the points so that easily we can plot. First one is 155 and here I have 6. So this is first point. Then this is done. Second is 160, only upper limits we have to see corresponding to this cumulative frequency only we have to locate. We have to see. So 160, 18, then the next one is 165 and corresponding to that cumulative frequency is 36. 170 corresponding to 170 is 56. So all these I am marking as they are done. 175 to 69, 180 to 77 and 185 to 83. Okay, so I have written all the points. Now we just have to plot it on a graph. So first one is 155 and 6. 155 is here. So 155, just vertically straight up I am going, and at 6 I am just marking this point. See, this point is 6. So I can write it as 155 comma 6. This is done. 160, 18. So here 160 point is 18. So vertically straight we have to go till 18. So I have marked it 165 and 18. Because one on y-axis, 1 division is equals to 1 unit. So it's very easy to locate. You can see here 10. So 1 unit only we have to go up, and this is 18. Now 165 and 36. So here we have 165. So vertically up straight we have to go. This is 30. So we have to plot 36. This is 35 and here we have 36. So this point is 165 and 36. This is also done. Next one is 170, 56. So this is 170 straight, again up we have to go. This is 50 and here we have 56. So 170 and 56. Next is 175, corresponding to 175 is 69. So here I have 60. So just before 1 unit of 70 I have 69. So 175 and 69. 180, here is 180, corresponding to 180 the point is 77. So I am going straight up just 3 units before 80. So this is 75, 76 and 77. So point is 180, 77. The next one is 185 and 83. So here we have 185 straight up. This is 80, 81, 82 and 83. So all the points I have marked now. So curve we have to draw. The name of the curve is ogive. It's a freehand curve. So when we have to draw the curve, it should be without scale. The free hand you have to draw the points. Okay, I can see here one point I have marked 175. Okay, so this is 175 here corresponding to 175.69. The point should come here. Okay, by mistake I have just marked it, so the curve is this. Okay, this is not the curve. Okay. So this is the curve. Now three things we will find. First of all, median, Q1, that is lower quartile, and Q3. For all of these three, what we need? See, previously what we did, when n means the sum of all the frequency was even, what we did, we simply divided it by 2 or 4. Now what we will do for median, it will become n plus 1 by 2. This is for median. For median, this thing will become n plus 1 by 2. So here I am doing this thing 83, which is my n, plus 1 by 2. So which means it is 84 by 2. So which is equals to 42. Okay, so now 42, this 42, what I have to do, this 42 I have to mark on the y-axis. So I am going to mark it. So this is 41, 42, 42 here. Now I have to draw a horizontal line, 41. So see, the line should coincide with the graph. So 41 and 42. You have to draw this line with the help of a scale. You can see I am also doing the same thing. Corresponding to this line on curve, you have to draw the vertical line also. So I am drawing the vertical line. So here the line is okay. So this value I am getting. Now I have to see what is the value of this thing. See, I got the value of n plus 1 by 2 equals to 42. This 42 I located on the y-axis. I have drawn one horizontal line. That line met with the curve. Now corresponding to that, I have drawn a vertical line on the x-axis, and here I have to see what is the value. So you can see on x-axis 1 unit is equals to 2 division. So that means this is 165, 166. So here it is coming. So 2 divisions equals to 166, and here only 1 division after that I have. So that means the value may be near to 166 or 166.5. So 0.5 here and there the value may go, because this is a freehand curve. So median we have calculated. Now Q1 we will calculate. So this thing we needed for median. Q1 means lower quartile. When this was even, what we did, we divided it by 4. N by 4 we did. Now it is odd. So for Q1 we will do n plus 1 by 4. Okay, so n plus 1 by 4 we will do. So n plus 1 is 84, n is 83, 83 plus 1 84, by 4 we will do. So with 4 when we will divide, this will become 4 into 2 is 8, 21. So for Q1, n plus 1 divided by 4. This 21 we have to again mark on y-axis. So 21 on y-axis, here it is. So we have to draw again horizontal line here corresponding to 21. This line should meet our curve. So here it is meeting our curve. Again then we have to draw a vertical line corresponding to this point. So I am drawing a straight line. Here it is. So line is coming here. Again on x-axis 2 divisions equals to 1 unit. So that this is 160. So 2 units above, after 160 it is going. So that means Q1's value is equals to 161, and here I am writing. Now let's find Q3. Q3 is 3 into n plus 1 by 4. See, we have already found the value of n plus 1 by 4 for q1. So n plus 1 by 4 is actually what? It is equals to 21. So 3 into n plus 1 by 4. So I can write it as 3 into 21. So which is equals to 63. So 63 we are going to mark on y-axis. So 61, 62, 63. So I have marked it. Corresponding to again this point 63, we have to draw a horizontal line. The line should meet our curve. Then we have to draw corresponding to that horizontal line, we have to draw vertical line. So that point I have to see here. This is 71, 171, 172, again 172.5 or maybe 173 it will be. 0.5 here and here, their difference is acceptable. This is 170.170, it is 171, 172. Sorry, it is 172.5 Q3. Okay, here one thing more I want to discuss here. If you see from the graph, you can find here median's value. What was the value of median? We calculated 166.5. So this is our median. Then 161 we calculated the value of Q1. So here I have marked it here Q1 and here Q3. Another thing which I am going to discuss here is interquartile range. See, interquartile range which we haven't done in previous one also. So interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1. Okay, so here we have found the value of Q3 and Q1 both. So Q3's value we found as 172.5, or it is around that. See, 0.5 difference here and there is acceptable because it's a freehand curve. Again and again I am telling you. So Q3 minus Q1. So Q1's value we have found as 161. So we can do the subtraction. 172.5 minus 161. So that value is equals to 11.5. So our interquartile range, which is equals to Q3 minus Q1, is equals to 11.5.